Africa, Jamaica, and other Caribbean countries, and other Caribbean islands, you find a lot of mining going on within these countries. But check out in these countries or continent, even the continent of Africa and even Jamaica. Do they see they have mining as a part of our school curriculum? No. Because we are supposed to be workers. We're not supposed to be thinkers or creators or inventors or owners.
Workers.
We are like sheep. We are not no shepherd. They don't want us to be in a shepherd. Say, once you step up and say, I'm not no sheep, I'm a shepherd. I'm leading this flock. You're gonna have a problem. And for me, I am no sheep. I have to be a shepherd. I will lead my flock to victory. So as long as Abraham Torre is doing what he's doing, you have my full support because I'll be doing what I'm doing
Yeah,
too.
man,